Anime fans, nothing hurts more than falling in love with a series only to realize there's no second season. Ever. You check every forum, stalk the creators on Twitter, maybe even send a desperate email to the studio, but nope, dead end. These shows delivered everything in just one season and then vanished, leaving us with existential dread. But today, we are celebrating those legendary anime, one-season wonders that nailed their stories so well they didn't need another season. Or, well, the industry just forgot about them. Either way, here are the 10 best anime with only one season. This is Amevis Anime, support us by subscribing. Yes, hit the subscribe button now. Number 10. High School of the Dead. Yes, the anime that asks, what if zombies took over a high school, but with an excessive physics-defying fanservice budget. High School of the Dead is an apocalyptic rollercoaster where a group of students tries to survive a zombie outbreak. It's got action, insane animation, and a ridiculous amount of slow-motion, overly detailed bounce physics. Like, whoever animated this was committed. Maybe a little too committed. Unfortunately, this show is never getting a second season because its original creator, Daisuke Sato, passed away. But as far as wild, ridiculous zombie anime go, this one still holds up. Number 9. Anohana. The Flower We Saw That Day. Okay, if High School of the Dead is chaotic fanservice in action, Anohana is here to absolutely destroy your emotions. If you've never ugly cried at an anime before, congratulations, you are about to. The story revolves around a group of childhood friends who drifted apart after a tragedy. One day, the ghost of their deceased friend, Menma, appears to one of them, saying she wants to move on, but first, they need to figure out what's keeping her tied to the world. This anime doesn't hold back, it'll dig deep into your feelings, rip your heart out, stomp on it a little, and then give you an ending that you'll never forget. Watch it with tissues. Lots of tissues. Number 8. Outlaw Star. Space cowboys, bounty hunters, intergalactic treasure hunts. Outlaw Star is the perfect mix of adventure and sci-fi. Gene Starwind and his crew take on odd jobs, battle space pirates, and chase after the legendary Galactic Ley Line. The show is action-packed, fun, and has a unique charm that makes it feel like a classic. But despite its cult following, it only ever got one season. Why? Well, it came out around the same time as Cowboy Bebop, and we all know who won that showdown. Still, if you love old school anime with wild space adventures, give this one a shot. Number 7. Baccano. If Tarantino directed an anime, it would be Baccano. Set in the 1930s, this show juggles gangsters, immortals, alchemists, and a train full of absolute chaos. The storytelling is completely out of order, multiple perspectives, different timelines, so you have to piece it together as you go. And when it all clicks. Chef's kiss. Despite its insane world building, there was never a season 2. Maybe because adapting a nonlinear story like this again is just too much work. Or maybe because the universe is cruel. Either way, Baccano remains one of the best one-season anime ever. Number 6. Eden of the East. Imagine waking up naked in the middle of Washington, D.C., with no memory, holding only a phone with 10 billion yen in your account. Yeah, that's how Eden of the East starts. Our protagonist, Takezawa, is one of 12 people given insane amounts of money in the mission to save Japan. The catch: if they fail, they die. No pressure. This anime is thrilling, unpredictable, and filled with crazy twists. While it did get a couple of follow-up movies, the main anime is still just one season. And honestly, it's perfect. As is. Number 5. Welcome to the NHK. Ever feel like life is out to get you? Welcome to the NHK takes that paranoia and runs with it. This anime dives into the life of Satu, a hardcore shut-in who's convinced a secret organization, the NHK, is controlling society. What follows is a darkly comedic yet painfully real look at depression, anxiety, and the struggles of escaping isolation. It's brutally honest, sometimes uncomfortably so, but it also has some hilarious moments. It never got a season 2, and maybe that's for the best. It ends on a powerful note, leaving you thinking about your own life choices. Number 4. Last Exile. Steampunk airships, war, and stunning visuals. Last Exile is pure aesthetic perfection. The story follows Klaus and Levi, two pilots who get caught up in a massive conflict involving warring nations, mysterious guilds, and legendary airships. The world building here is phenomenal, and the animation. Beautiful. There was a sequel series, but it was a completely different cast and story. The original, Last Exile, remains a self-contained masterpiece. Number 3. Dimension W. Dimension W is what happens when you mix sci-fi, mystery, and cyberpunk aesthetics into one slick package. In the future, the world's energy crisis is solved by coils that tap into a new dimension. But, of course, people abuse this power, leading to illegal coil smuggling and crime. Enter Kuma, an old-school bounty hunter who hates this new tech, and Mira, an advanced android girl who's way too human for comfort. This anime had everything: cool fights, deep sci-fi concepts, and fantastic animation. But a second season, nowhere to be found. Shame, because this world had so much potential for more. Number 2. Parasite, the Maxim. Aliens that take over human bodies. Check. Brutal fights. Check. Deep psychological themes about what it means to be human. Big check. Parasite follows Shinichi, a normal high schooler who accidentally stops a parasite from taking over his brain. Instead, it merges with his right hand, giving him superhuman abilities and an unwilling companion. Now, he has to fight off other parasites who did fully take over their hosts. This show is a perfect mix of horror, action, and emotional storytelling. And it wraps up so perfectly in one season that a sequel isn't even necessary. Number 1. Death Note. Was there ever a doubt? Death Note is legendary. A high school genius finds a notebook that lets him kill anyone by writing their name, and he decides to become the god of a new world. But then, a detective with god-tier deduction skills, steps in, leading to one of anime's best cat and mouse games ever. Sure, the second half gets mixed reactions, but as a whole, Death Note remains one of the most gripping one-season anime out there. And there you have it, 10 incredible anime that gave us everything in just one season. No sequels, no fillers, just pure, self-contained greatness. Which one's your favorite? And did we miss any hidden gems? Let me know in the comments.